Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we are reviewing a 2K resolution webcam with HDR, autofocus, dual noise cancelling microphones, and a privacy cover. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a look at the AUSDOM Zoom certified web camera. And this web camera, let me just tell you, has so many features. You know, there's like a long list of different features. So for starters, this can be a 1080p camera, but it can also go up to 2K resolution. There is, autofocus with this camera. There is HDR, which is high dynamic range with this camera. Dual noise canceling microphones. There's also a tripod that they included with this kit. So if you wanted to, you can actually set up your camera and have it off to the side. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description of this video, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this webcam. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. Here is the packaging of the AUSDOM 2K resolution webcam. And all over the box, there's a lot of specifications and details. But now, let's get cracking inside the box. In the packaging, we have included a user manual, a microfiber cloth, a nice mini tripod stand for the webcam, and last but not least, we have the webcam itself. You can see the webcam has a really simple but nice design, and the cable to attach this webcam to your laptop or your computer is already pre-attached. Here is everything that's included with the packaging. Now, let's actually test out and set up this camera and actually, try out and see all the different features it has. So, what I want to do is take our webcam, obviously, and what I'm going to do is unwrap it. So, let me untie this little zip tie that they added. So now I can easily kind of unwind this cable. There we go. And it's a very long cable, so props on them for actually including a long cable. What I'm going to do is insert this into my USB port right here, plug it in, and you can hear my laptop's actually connecting to the webcam as we speak. I think for our demonstration, I will probably utilize the tripod, but you are able to set this webcam onto your laptop. So if I wanted to, I can rotate the webcam like that. There we go. Just like that, and then put it on top of my laptop right here. And you can see how it just fits so nicely on top of my laptop if I want to use that setup. But let's say if I wanted to actually utilize that threaded base that's on the bottom of this webcam and then attach it onto the tripod, it's also very simple to do. Let's actually configure this tripod. We're going to open it up, open up the legs, and make sure we tighten it up so that it doesn't go anywhere. There we go. We're going to set this down right here in the middle, and we're going to screw on our camera onto the tripod. There we go. So now we have the camera mounted onto the tripod, and you can see, look at that. Very, very nice and convenient, and I can easily adjust the angling even with it on the tripod. So right now, what I did was actually loaded up my camera application on the laptop. Obviously, you can use this webcam with OBS, Zoom, or any other software that you may be using with your webcams and cameras. I'm using just the Windows camera application, and let's just start by clicking and recording a sample with this camera. So right now, it's recording my webcam right now. How does the quality look like? Right now, I do have the settings fit to 1440p, which is 2K resolution, and at 1440p you can only get 30 FPS with this webcam. But how does the quality look? Is it sharp and clear? Can you guys see a lot of my facial features? I think from what I'm seeing right now, man, this webcam might be one of the best high definition webcams I've ever tested out, period. Wow, I am really impressed with the quality that I'm getting right now. And look, I can even face this and turn it around. You can see it's also reading the text right now. And look at that. Very, very impressive. That is a very sharp image with this webcam. And I can go in and adjust the focus manually with this webcam. So if I go in here, I can go in and adjust the focus. You can see now it's starting to get a little bit more blurry. And I can adjust the focus with this webcam because this webcam does offer autofocus, but also manual focus. So you can see, depending on however you set up the camera, maybe using manual focus may be beneficial, especially if you know what you're doing. And then we also have brightness. So if I want to, I can adjust the brightness of this webcam. You can see now I'm getting super bright, and then I can go all the way down, and now we're getting a little more dark. So we're getting a very sharp image. Obviously with it on a tripod too, you're able to adjust, you know, I can shine down, I can look up, I can, you know, tilt to the side, I can even spin the camera around if I want to. But yeah, honestly, I'm very impressed with the resolution and quality that I'm getting with this webcam. And also on the top right here, there is a privacy cover. So if I switch this, boom, now the camera, you know, it looks like it's off, but it's actually still on. It's just that privacy cover is activated, and I can easily slide it across, and now you can see me in, you know, the full frame and everything. So overall, really impressive. And I also want to show you guys some of the different configurations. So let me pause this recording. There we go. And you can go into the settings here, and I'm going to show you guys some of the different settings you can have with this camera. So with video quality, we have 1440p all the way down to 480p. So you can see with the different configurations, you get different frame rates. So like for 1080p, I can do 60 FPS, but with also 1080p, I can do 30 FPS. With the 2K resolution, you only got one resolution of frames per second that you can actually utilize, which is the 1440p with the 30 frames per second. So you can see there's a lot of different configurations you can have with this camera. So depending on your setup or whatever you're trying to go for, you know, maybe going for those different resolutions may be more beneficial. So it's cool to see you are able to manipulate that. And same thing with photo quality. I can go in and adjust the different photo quality. So I can go as high as up to 3.7 megapixels, which is 2560 by 1440p. So in fact, why don't I click on that, and I'm going to take a picture of myself. I'm just gonna adjust myself a little bit, and we're gonna look straight at the camera. We're gonna take a picture. And there we go. I just took a picture. Hopefully that picture looks really nice and clear. And yeah, I'm really impressed, honestly, with this camera and all the different features it's offering. It's really impressive to see, you know, you having the ability to actually manipulate and change all these things on the fly. So if you are using, like, you know, more professional software, you'll be able to really enhance, you know, change saturation, contrast, all that fun stuff. You know, with Windows, I'm only limited to just a few different options, but with the different options I did test it out, you know, this webcam performed magically. And what I also like about this webcam is you do not need any drivers. You don't need to install any additional software to utilize this webcam. Once you plug it in, you're good to go. So it's a plug and play, ready to go webcam. So one of my final opinions and remarks about this AUSDOM 2K resolution webcam. Well, with my basic rundown, you guys can see this webcam perform magically. I did also go back to listen to the audio, and the audio that this microphone was capturing was also phenomenal. You know, with the dual noise canceling microphone, it was able to drown out most of my background noise. So, you know, if you want to use this for streaming, broadcasting, gaming, or making content that like I'm doing right now, or, you know, conferences and stuff like that, you know, this webcam is really, you know, I would say it's definitely one of the top picks, especially if you're looking for a budget camera, but you want to get really good quality. You know, this is by far better than the webcam that's built in with this laptop. So definitely, if I ever have any conferences or stuff where I need to be talking to people, I'm utilizing this webcam. It's better than all the other webcams I've tested out. So I'm really impressed to see how functional and how good the quality is with this webcam. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications on, especially if you haven't already. You know, leave a like on the video, you know, kind of give my video up in the algorithm a little bit. Leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns about this webcam, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in a webcam. As always, product information, specifications, details will be listed down below of this video, you know, in the description if you are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this webcam. Hopefully you all enjoyed this tech reviews, gadgets, and more episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you all for watching and have a good rest of your day.